Now that's not something you see every day. Today is the day for rehearsals, and tomorrow is the day of our big celebration event, which has been kept a complete surprise. We've had some teasers coming out on social media all throughout this week, and by the time you see this video, all will have been revealed. We are celebrating 1 million backhoe loaders. All the machines are sort of gathering together in the car park back there, and I'm just heading in through main reception to see that everything's set up all right there, and I'll keep you updated. And I'm really excited about the machine that I am going to be driving. I can't wait to show you. Love that one. All right. Imagining what it smells like. It smells like proper engines.
Here today driving his platinum machine. He purchased his first JCB 3X in 1994, and this is his 6th new backhoe loader. Now 14, we've got 3 left. At the end of last year, JCB launched the 4CX ground worker pro model in the UK, ranging machines designed specifically for the North American market, which is the most productive backhoe loader in the North American market. The second
They look so good. So that is rehearsals all completed. We've done a couple of run-throughs here and everything has gone very smoothly. And tomorrow I'm going to be driving a different machine, but I just had to cover this one today for one of our drivers wasn't here. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow goes as smoothly as today has. Today we are celebrating 1 million backhoes off the JCB production line. And what a way we have come that's been captured so beautifully here outside World Headquarters main reception, from where it all started to where we are now with hydrogen power. What a celebration today is going to be. We have a full cavalcade of machines through the years coming right past here in front of this beautiful lake, and the sun is shining. It's a really beautiful, crisp, frosty morning, and yeah, it's going to be a great day. And this is what goes on behind the scenes. All the machines ready here. Mr. Ollie Gunn, full content creation mode. The cleaners have been working on these machines. JCJ has done an unbelievable job making sure these machines are all looking absolutely top notch. Our drivers and demonstration team are looking absolutely super smart. Overall, the machines are getting warmed up, and we are soon ready to go for the big event, which is going to be streamed to all of the other factories around the world that are building JCB machines so they can join us in this celebration. And I am going to be driving this grey cab beauty right here, 3CX Sightmaster, or known as the P7. Now, I've heard a lot about these machines. Many customers that I go out to visit tell me that this was an incredible machine through the history of JCBs, and I've never driven one before, so today is the day I can say that I will experience the grey cab P7. I hope it's got a heated seat.
Joking me? It's arguably one of the best machines ever made.
Looks
Turbo
alright.
Plus 3CX, big hub, beautiful. She's asking where the heated seat is. I've no clue. No clue. Yeah.
Don't appreciate these things, do
Look
I?
at these easy forks, look. How easy they are.
got
Outside
smooth
the
ride?
bucket again.
Smooth ride?
The seat bounces. It doesn't go fast enough.
Yeah. Ollie's going to have to show me how to make it go anyway.
Lucas key, easy screwdriver.
That's key. We are go. P7, eh? Let's see what all the fuss is about. Couldn't find my seatbelt anyway. Did my seatbelt's not a thing then? So we're lining up, ready to go, waiting for the call. Headset on ready. The seat sounds very nice. The seat's quite comfortable. The Backhoe production line has actually been paused so that all of the workers off the line could come out and witness this moment. So they're all, I can see them just lined up. Oh, how amazing. And they've put a Backhoe archway in for us to drive through as well, so. If you were just out for your morning stroll around the JCB lake and saw all of this, you'd be, you'd be pretty shook. What an unbelievable thing to witness. Handbrake, Jesus. It's a bit far away, isn't it? Right, there we go. Third gear, what can go wrong? Easy peasy. Oh, there's a radio. Didn't know there was a radio. We've got Bluetooth connected. Extra bass. Alright. Good machine, I'll give you that. So we're all lined up in order through the years. I'm here in the middle somewhere in this grey cab P7. We've got the Union Jack Backhoe, we've then got our Platinum Edition. Right at the end of the row is our hydrogen powered machine. Waiting for our moment. Getting all the staff lined up. And hopefully our chairman, Lord Bamford, whose father invented this machine, Mr. JCB, in 1953. I'm sure this will be an amazing moment for him. So hopefully he's on his way down. And we'll be out there. We'll give him a big wave as we come past. Right, we are off. The chairman is here. The people are gathered. The handbrake is off. And we're creeping forward. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in line. So creeping forward slowly. Waiting for my slot. Oh, brilliant. There's a great crowd out there. I'm going to spin this round so you can see the crowds as I come. £2,500. That's how much the JCB 3 cost when it was first launched. No, this little boy is rocks up for a walk around the lake on the best possible day. .3C Mark II up now. Brilliant. And then that's followed by the Mark III. That's it, right, let's see what's up next.
Time. So we move on to our 14th in the cavalcade today. And this is the JCB hydrogen engines have been given the green light to be sold and used in 11 countries across Europe. What a great achievement in such a short space of time.
So once the parade was over, obviously I didn't have my camera on at this point, but we were all lined up for a photo with our chairman, Lord Bamford. And here you can see just how happy I was in this moment. Next, we head on inside for the reveal of the machine.
done freehand. So literally he came with this special pen and created this not by print. There's no print on here or overlay. This is actually drawn on freehand. We've got some, the dancing diggers as well, Project Zoo. So the whole history of JCB is literally on this machine as well. Hatch has even put his own little name at the top there. So we're going to leave this here for 3 or 4 months for you to come and have your picture taken with it as well. And there we go, we're good to go, and
move in.
down.